Welcome to CyberMindX, where we explore the exciting world of technology and the future of artificial intelligence. Today, we delve into the fascinating realm of machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on developing algorithms that can learn from and make predictions based on data. It empowers computers to learn from experience, much like humans, but at incredible speeds and scales. The process generally involves several key steps: data collection, gathering relevant data to train the model; data pre-processing, cleaning and organizing this data for better accuracy; model selection, choosing the right algorithm to analyze the data; training, feeding the data into the model so it can learn patterns; testing, evaluating its performance, ensuring it can make accurate predictions. There are three primary types of machine learning. Supervised learning, where the model learns from labeled data, identifying patterns, and making predictions. This is commonly used in email filtering and handwriting recognition. Unsupervised learning. Here, the model explores unlabeled data to find hidden patterns or groupings. It's often used in market segmentation and anomaly detection. Reinforcement learning. This type involves training a model through a system of rewards and penalties, much like training a pet. It's widely used in gaming and robotics. Machine learning is revolutionizing various industries. In healthcare, it aids in early diagnosis, while in finance, it helps detect fraudulent activities. In transportation, machine learning powers self-driving cars. The applications are vast and growing. As technology advances, the potential of machine learning continues to expand. We can expect developments in personalized medicine, smarter cities, and more intuitive AI companions. But with great power comes great responsibility, making ethical considerations crucial in this journey. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of machine learning. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the future of technology. Stay curious and keep your mind open.